पूण आमचें दुर्दैव जे साळावलीचें जें उदक आसा जे उदकाचो सांठो आसा तो 365 डेज उदक आमकां पूर्ण जावपा सारको आसा पूण आमच्या फुटके नशिबान आमकां पिवपा उदकाची सोय सरकारान सारकी केल्ली ना कारण ओपन वेल उदकाचें उदक आमकां थ्रू टॅपांनी आमकां दिता जें अनहायजेनीक आसा सरकारान जें साळावली डॅमाचें उदक आसा तें आमकां उदक लिफ्ट करून आमकां ह्या शेतीक जावं आमकां लिफ्ट करून फिल्टर करून आमकां पिवपा सारकी उदकाची सोय करची.
We spoke to Sarpanch of Kurdi Wade Panchayat, Arun Matkar. He said that in spite of informing the concerned department, the departments have failed to take necessary action.
आमकां वाडी पंचायती साम खरोखरच उदकाचो त्रास जाता शेतां उदक ना तशें आमकां पिवपाक त्रास जाता आमी सगळे डिपार्टमेंटा लेटर केल्ले आसा आनी ग्रामसभे लोक येवन आमकां विचारता उदका प्रॉब्लेम कित्याक ह्या खातीर आमी लेटर केल्ल्या डिपार्टमेंटा.
Our reporter from Wade Kurdi, Mayur Naik for Prudent Media.
More update after a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Intense outburst has already begun against Sanatan Samstha. A gathering was held in Bicholi to raise a voice against the violent act of Sanatan Samstha. Members of Andhashraddha Nirmulan Samiti along with other citizens registered their agony and criticized the organization for its alleged unethical act of planting a bomb in Madgaon.
आकाश कंदील ते दिताले ओलू आकाश कंदील दिवंक पावले ना ते कारण तांकां आयज सगळ्या खंयच्या तरी घरांतलो तांकां दिवो पालोवपाचो आसलो.
आनी एक तुमकां सांगता हे सनातनवाले हा हे बाकीच्यांक सगळ्यांक दुर्जन म्हणटात आनी हेंची जर कृत्यां पळयत जाल्यार लोकांक कळटलें दुर्जन कोण आनी सज्जन कोण.
त्या मनीस सनातन प्रभात करता म्हजें तांकां आव्हान आसा तांच्यांनी सनातन रात्र म्हणून आतां काडची.
Jawahar Barve and Yadneshwar Nigde of Andhashraddha Nirmulan Samiti expressed their outburst against Sanatan Samstha.
दुसऱ्याक वायट म्हणून माझो धर्म व्हडलो जायना लक्षात दवरा मित्रांनो केन्ना आनी जर अशें जालें जाल्यार देशांत फक्त अशांती वाचतली हिंसाचार जातलो आनी प्रत्येक मनीस कदाचित तुमच्या पैकी जर आयज पावूंक नसले विचार जर पावूंक नासले आनी सनातनवाल्यांचे जर तावडीन सापडलेले जाल्यार ते बिगाडटले असले आनी ते जिवंत बॉम्ब जातले असले मानवी बॉम्ब जातले.
हे असे बॉम्ब स्फोट बी घडीत वाडटात म्हणजे हे दहशतवादी हिंदू दहशतवादी अशें आमी म्हणटात हांगा पासून आमची ल्हानशी चूक जाता दिशाभूल जाल्या कारणान हे हिंदू हांकां हिंदू धर्म हाडपाचो हिंदू धर्म टिकोवपाचो आसा अशें हांव म्हणना बिलकुल. हांकां कितें टिकोवपाचें आसा हांकां परती पेशवाई हाडपाची आसा.
Slogans were also raised against Sanatan Samstha. A reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
The Under-7 chess tournament commenced on Sunday. The top two finishers among the boys and girls will be selected for the national tournament in Ahmedabad. The two-day tournament is being held at Santa Cruz.
22 chess players participated in the Under-7 chess tournament organized by the Goa State Chess Association. Speaking exclusively to Prudent Media on Sunday, GSCS Secretary Arvind Mamal gave details about the tournament.
See, this is a selection tournament for national to be held in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. This is from 16th to 24th of December. From here we select 2 boys and 2 girls who will be representing Goa in national Under-7 at Ahmedabad.
What is it that you're looking in from the individuals? What sort of skills?
I look at this one, Riddhi Zati, who is already a school gold medalist. So we think we have hope on her. And boys side, Bharat is there. Then K. Tushar is there. So we are having some good talented players.
At the end of the third round, Sahil Shetty and Stanford Pereira are the joint leaders among the boys with 3 points. Among the girls, Riddhi Zantier and Faizia Khan are the joint leaders with 3 points. Our sports reporter from Santa Cruz, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Shan.
Diana Hayden won the Miss World title in 1997. She was born in Hyderabad. Diana became the third Indian woman to win the Miss World title. Diana was in Goa for an inauguration of an academy. We leave you with a chat with Diana Hayden. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
Today we have with us Diana Hayden, which doesn't require introduction. She was Miss World in 1997. We'll have a chat with her to know what is her future plans. Yeah, Diana, you are in Goa. Tell us how you like Goa first.
I love Goa. Who doesn't love Goa? I came in yesterday and went straight to Baga Beach and just sat there and had some fish and some prawns and, you know, enjoyed the atmosphere. Goa's beautiful. I wish I could have a place here.
You have won Miss World title. So can you share some of the moments?
Wow. It was definitely by far the most exciting experience of my life. And I thank God because I've been very blessed. A lot of opportunities come your way, a lot of your life after that. There is very clearly a before Miss World and after Miss World life that one has. But I'd like to believe that through everything, I have held on to my values and to what was important, the, you know, people, family, and your upbringing.
So every model says wants to try her luck in Bollywood. So you have also tried, but is there any chance that you'll be again seen on Indian cinema?
I did one film in Bollywood and decided that it's not what I want. I mean, I love Bollywood, I watch films, but I think life is very short and you have to do what makes you happy. Because half your time you're sleeping in life and the other half you're working. Most of the other half you're working. So you better enjoy what you do. And I believe in really enjoying what I do. I am much happier doing television, hosting shows, my charity work, my lectures that I do on grooming, on confidence building, motivational speaking. That's where I get a lot more pleasure.
So final question, what is the secret of your beauty?
The secret is there is no secret. I think, I don't know, I guess it's my parents because it's a genetic thing. Outside of that, I think it's also a lot to do with your disposition in life, how you think, how you handle life, how you take care of yourself. It's very important. It's a whole mixture of all of that.
So any tips you would like to give to Goan girls?
I would like to tell the Goan girls, you already have something that is very important and you'll have it in abundance, which is interacting with people, being polite, being friendly, being hospitable, because that's what your culture in the state of Goa is all about. Just whatever you want, get a fire in your stomach and go after what you want. Because we have one life that we know of and that we are living, so don't waste it.
Thank you for speaking to Prudent Media.
You're welcome.